Yes, I wish it fit like this. Hey, Candyland, it's Sweets here. It's Sweets. It's Sweet Day. It's Candy Day. This Candyland. What's up, y'all? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Okay, why is this? I'm trying to do something right here. Baby, please, don't even try it. This little bit of stuff, how dare you try to show out? Okay, anyway, yes, this is a real candy bra, y'all. Yes, it is. And I'm wearing it with a skirt. This is usually how it works. Now, I'm not going nowhere. I just came on for Candyland because this is Candyland with a Q. This is Sweet, Sweet Juicy, Sweet Mama. Yes, we had to come on and represent for Candy Day. Now, while I wish it fit like this, it doesn't. Now, I have a contraption that I bought that could have made it fit like that. You probably would have been able to see something right here, but it would have did what it was supposed to do. But it's doing what it's doing. And this is how it's supposed to look. Look how yours look. See, that's what I'm talking about. But anyway, you got to work with what you got. You got to work with what you got. So y'all, don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. I want y'all to let me know in the comments. Do y'all like this? Do y'all like this? This is good for Sweet Juicy and Sweet Mama and all of that. Okay, so on the back I saw that it says Sweet and Sexy, and that's my other name I Sweet Sexy and saved. Yes, that's what I said. I said what I said. But anyway, we through with that. So I had one of these way back like in the early 2000s. My friend too had brought me one. It also came with like a thing with some strings down as if you were going to hook it to some thigh highs or something. And so I always wear it. Well, I didn't always. I mostly wore it with a skirt, and then you can see the little candy dangles from under it. And so I wore it like that on a few occasions. I used to wear this out. Now this ain't just for no everyday walking around. This is for out. And it never was, I don't think, around the 31st Candy Day. I just would wear it just because. And so I don't know why I bought this 6 or 8 months, or maybe last year. Why did I buy this? I don't know. But if I was going to wear it out now, I would put a blazer or something on with it. You know what I'm saying? So it wouldn't be so much in your face. And this ain't even in your face. this little bit of stuff ain't in your face, but y'all know what I'm saying. So anyway, and then so I have the bracelet here, and I got these candies at probably Party City or something. And so while I'm not going anywhere, I just put this on for Candy Day for the video. I don't have much to talk about or anything. I just want to say hello from Candyland. Hello, Candyland from Sweet, Sweet Juicy. This how we doing. And we're going to get out of this. And so I just want to make this short video for the last day of Vlogtober. We did it. We didn't do it every day, but we did it way more than any time this whole year that I've been on. And so this weekend on the 4th will actually be my anniversary for my workout, which started November 5th, 2012. So the reason why it's going to be on the 4th, because the dates get crossed up, because this year was not a leap year, but those years that do have a leap year, we have 29 days. So that's what make my anniversary, my actual 365 changes some years from November 5th to November 6th, sometime November 4th. This time it's going to be on November 4th. So if you count up 11 years, 11 times 365, that will give you 4,015. Today is my 4,011 days straight of exercise. I have 4 more days, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So Saturday will be my actual 11-year anniversary of everyday working out. And y'all, if y'all new to the video, just seeing this, now I don't look like I work out every day to some people. My fitness goals are, let me see my fitness goals. My exercise journey, lifestyle, whatever it is because I want to be able to eat the things that I like, but still look decent in my clothes. So, and to have a healthy heart and whatever benefits that can come from that. But truly, for me, it's about how I look and feel. So just that. So that's why we ain't budging with muscles, and we ain't got no 6, 8, 2-pack, nothing. We just doing the best we can. And anyway, y'all, so I'm rambling on, but if anybody's just new to the video, new to my channel, I just want y'all to know that, you know, something like that. So keep on watching. Y'all keep on watching. Y'all press that subscribe. And y'all come check SweetJuicy out when she doing her exercise. And so I probably did put a little clip of me jumping on the trampoline up above. If I didn't, I'll do it now. And yeah, and so, okay, and the other thing, why is a young lady that's claiming Christian wearing something like this? Because it's fun and I want to. And where am I going in it? Nowhere. But if I were going to wear it somewhere, I'd wear it. I'd wear it. I'd wear it because I have wore it before. And I was Christian then, and I wore it like that. Is it what you would do or what you would tell somebody to do as Christian? No, I'm sure you wouldn't. I wouldn't even advise it. But this is my walk. This is my journey. I do how I do. You know, as of now, this is what it is. Like I was saying, if I was wearing it today, I'd probably put on a cute, fun jacket and just let you be able to see it. I just probably wouldn't have everything out because it's one pull away from being over. But I got my nipple covers on under here. I don't know why they keep trying to seep out of there. But anyway, how you gonna try to seep out? You ain't this little bit of stuff. How? But anyway, y'all, I wish it fit like this. Okay, that's enough talking. This video didn't even have to be this long. But I just wanted to, I didn't make no video yesterday. So for Vlogtober the 31st, SweetJuicy had to come on and say, hey, to Candyland, y'all. I linked this bra in the description. And I guess that's it, y'all. So comment down below what y'all think about this bra. Because it's in candy bra. It says 35 calories per serving. It also says, I don't know if I said that before, sexy and sweet and sexy on the back. So that's for me, sweet, sexy, and safe. Anyway, y'all, enough is enough. And I'll talk to y'all on November 1st. Or I might come back. I should be doing a live right now. What y'all think? Let's see if we get a live started. Oh God, do I want to do this? You want to do a live? Let's see. Okay.